Hi UXOs. Through this video, let me help you in understanding how should you be purchasing these assessments which are a part of your UXPERT corporate case study competition. Now, if you have registered as an individual team member, you have to take just one assessment. If you have registered as a team of two, you have to take two assessments and so on. There are four options that have been provided to you: internship analysis, interview booster, right type of organization, and industry suggester. It's totally up to you which one of these products you pick. Okay? To help you understand how exactly should you use the coupon code UXPERT100 and purchase these assessments at free of cost, please understand this. First of all, go to the login link, that is mbatrek.com/login. Please enter your email ID and password that have already been provided to you. If not, or if there is any login error, please connect with us at contact@mbatrek.com. Okay, so here I'm just trying to log in into my user ID. Once you log in, you will be redirected to the home page of MBTREX website along with the cart. Now what you have to do is the links of these four assessments also have been provided to you in your case study competition. You can open these links on other tabs the same way that I have opened: internship analysis, interview booster, right type of organization, and industry suggester. Okay, just click on any one of these assessments that you want to opt for. Suppose I want to go for industry suggester. Click on add to cart. Once you have clicked on the add to cart, you would be able to see that the cart number has changed from 0 to 1. Click on cart and hence click on view cart. Now you will be redirected to the checkout page. Here you have the option of have a promo code, enter here. Please click on this and enter your UXPERT100 as the coupon code. When you click on apply, you will receive this notification that you have successfully received 100% off, and hence your checkout price is totally zero. When you click on checkout, you would be receiving a link once you click on this, and it is this particular page, order successful. Okay, on this page you can see that in the middle we have this industry suggester link, okay, with the blue color. You have to click on these links for these assessments in order to understand, in order to take these assessments as a whole. Now if you are confused that which assessment or which product should you be really taking, you can take maybe all of them, because it will take around 10 to 15 minutes for you to attempt these assessments, and then you can figure out which one would you want to pick as your final answer. Please keep one thing in mind: if there are multiple team members in your team, there should be, the products that you pick should be different. You cannot pick same products. Hope that helped. For any further query, feel free to connect with us at contact@mbatech.com. Have a great day. All the best.